Hey there, WordPress warriors! Are you struggling with creating a professional-looking website that actually works? You're not alone. Many people face the same challenges, whether it's figuring out the right plugins, managing content, dealing with slow website speed, or frequent crashes. Introducing the WordPress Master Kit from Digitabuzz Academy. This is your ultimate guide to building, customizing, and managing a WordPress website with ease. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course has got you covered. You'll start with the basics, understanding what WordPress is, its history, and the differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Next, you'll learn how to choose a domain name, select the right hosting provider, and install WordPress with one-click setup. You'll even discover how to set up WordPress on your local computer using XAMPP and move it to a live server seamlessly. But that's just scratching the surface. Dive into customization with WordPress themes and plugins, and master the Gutenberg editor. Learn to design visually appealing websites by customizing headers, footers, fonts, and colors. And let's not forget content management, organizing posts, managing media files, and creating engaging menus and navigation. The course also covers SEO strategies to help your site rank higher on search engines, performance optimization techniques for faster load times, and essential security measures to protect your website from threats. But here's the kicker. Enroll now and get an exclusive bonus: the premium ebook, the ultimate WordPress A to Z plugin guide for every need. This ebook is packed with everything you need to master WordPress plugins from A to Z. No guesswork, just results. You'll discover the best tools for e-commerce, SEO, security, performance, backups, and more, all in one place. Whether you're building a blog, online store, or membership site, you'll find the perfect plugins to match your goals. Stop wasting time testing random tools and start using the ones that actually work. Take control of your WordPress site today with this ultimate plugin guide built for every user. Why choose the WordPress Master Kit? Because it's an all-in-one solution that covers everything you need to build and manage a WordPress website like a pro. You'll gain practical skills, tangible experience, and complete confidence to keep you on track and get going. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your website creation experience. Remember, the WordPress Master Kit is more than just a course. It's your key to building and managing stunning, functional websites with confidence. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of the limited-time special bonus offer and become a WordPress hero today. Enroll now.